potatoes and boil them until tender. Bone broth. A couple ears of sweet corn off the cob. And cook with a little butter. Use Old Bay seasoning and salt, pepper to taste. A pound of shell deveined, cleaned raw fish, crayfish. Get them nice and warm. Make sure they're cooked thoroughly, but not overcooked. 1 heaping cup of cooked wild mushrooms. Got black trumpets. I've got chanterelles. Snipped chives to taste. Garnish oyster crackers. 1 quart heavy whipping cream. Once your potatoes are fork tender, you're going to immersion blend this stock, potatoes, half the crayfish, cream, a little bit of corn, and a little bit of mushrooms to make the bisque. More Old Bay seasoning, shellfish powder, baby. The crayfish come through. Sweet shellfish. Popping little kernels of sweet corn. A little hint of zip from the chives. All mushroomy all the time. Delicious. This is wild mushroom soup with shellfish. So good.